Let's talk Cali bamboo engineered flooring, what it is and why it's the Goldilocks of hardwood floors. Engineered flooring in general is stratified with a top layer of hardwood over a core of another wood material, usually a plywood. A lot of other flooring companies use this as a budget option because you're using less of the more expensive hardwood. But in our case, it's more of a strategic choice. Cali Bamboo's engineered flooring layers an extra thick 4mm layer of super dense fossilized bamboo over a cross-constructed eucalyptus core and a stabilizing poplar base. This layered construction makes planks more dimensionally stable, meaning that they don't expand and contract as much in response to natural changes in the home environment. This means that these planks can go into rooms that typical hardwoods can't, like kitchens, bathrooms, and even basements. The top bamboo beauty layer is protected by a 13-coat scratch-resistant finish, which is 3 coats more than our solid bamboo line. And that finish is protected by a 50-year residential warranty, meaning that you save time and money not having to refinish the floor down the road. This line also comes in 30% wider planks for faster installations and a more expansive modern look, and the floors come in both tongue and groove and click-lock milling. But perhaps best of all, Cali Bamboo's green-to-the-core engineered flooring is the most eco-friendly option on the market because we're using all super sustainable materials: bamboo, eucalyptus, and poplar. They're all super fast-growing and highly renewable. This floor is also low VOC, completely non-toxic, and safe for your home. So you know that you are making the smartest choice for your installation, your budget, your family, and your planet. You can see the entire collection and order free samples at calibamboo.com.
Watch more Cali product videos.